Hi, my name is Brent from Manatlife.co. First, taas ko kay RJ. Given that there are also big fans of Kalista, sa Kislola, Aki, hindi ba magkakaubusan ng tickets or yun nga, mawawalan ng tickets yung mga taga-Ateneo dahil nga, malay natin, dumagsag, mag-sold out agad yung mga tickets. So how will you handle that?
Of course, as a concert for the junior high school, we're gonna prioritize our students, my fellow students. So we're gonna start the in-person selling muna sa campus itself. So malamang, only Ateneans will get the buy since it's sold on the junior high school campus. Then we'll start the online selling for outsiders. Also, the week during the launching of the in-person selling.
Ayan. Hi, good afternoon. My question for RJ. Ayan. How would you describe, or kung sino yung part ng organizer, no? How would you describe yung overall vibes ng concert? May mga install ba kayo ng mga booths, or ano yung activity the whole day? Parang ganyan.
So the concert will have food concessionaires at the back of the venue. So everyone will be given a chance to eat, of course. Tapos the vibe of the concert will be, like I said, Horizon. So it's going to be a very uplifting and also concert naman po. So the vibe will be, there's going to be a little bit of a party vibe, but of course the crowd control will be fixed and it will be watched over by our security. So the concert will be a very fun experience naman po, and the vibe will be, like I said, uplifting and happy.
Ayan. Since super young pa lang kayo, how challenging is it for you to mount this big concert?
I'll let Mason answer this question.
Okay, sure.
Hi, so I'm Mason. I haven't been able to speak yet, but I'd like to say it was very, very challenging because honestly, just to be able to do this concert, we had to beat out other classes who also made their own proposals and their own budgets and had their own sponsors. We were all trying to get this concert spot, but luckily we made it. And it was really hard. We had our own defending of, we had a defense for our proposal. We had to do a presentation similar to this actually. So,
Magpe-perform din ba kayo? Yung mga artists yan, yung mga organizer? Okay. Wala. Oo. Sabi niya sa dulo. Ayan. For Kalista naman, since you're one of the big guests nga nitong concert na to, ano yung mga preparations na ginagawa niyo in terms of the songs? Paano yung magiging performance niyo on that night? Since different naman tong crowd this time.
In terms of preparation po, katulad po nga ng sinabi po nila kanina, we're gonna be performing the songs po on our latest EP, which is 4. So we're very, very excited to showcase our new songs to the students of Ateneo kasi we know that it's the perfect market for the songs. Because there are a lot of teens and maybe the same age as well sa amin po. So, talagang pinaghahandaan po namin yung performance po namin, which will be parang mas matutuwa po yung mga students po sa performance namin.
So, and also, nagpe-prepare din po kami ng cover songs para mas ma-relate din yung students. Hindi lang sa original songs namin. So, ayun, para maka-vibe din sila. Hindi lang sa original songs namin, but the cover songs na kilala.
Meron pa kayo ngayon pa-sample na magiging performance nyo? Lalo pa maraming bumili.
For women sample, we would want to introduce ourselves po sa mga hindi pa po nakakilala. Call it a star! Hi everyone, I'm Anne. Hello everyone, I'm Denise. Hi, I'm Elle. Hello, I'm Dane, and we are Kalista! Sample na po. Alas 12, kailangan ng lumisan. Sa pagdating ng oras, biglang mawawala. Ngunit sa puso ko'y ikaw ang tadhana. Kahit sandali lang na lumigaya, sulitin natin ang bawat oras. Alas 12, alas 12, tarata, tarata.
Thank you, congratulations.
Okay, so, nakita niyo naman po kung gano'ng kagaling yung mga artists na inimbitan namin. So, for the formal invitation for the tickets, ticket selling will start March po. And then, you can look for inquiries and updates in our Instagram page. We'll be posting where and when to buy the tickets by next week naman po. And then, hopefully, we get to see you guys on the date of our concert. Thank you po.